Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram. This username is not available for use on Instagram app. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Check if the username is already taken, add number, add underscore and period. Step 2. Remove invalid characters, space, symbols or emoji. Wait and try again. Open your phone setting. Go to Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 3. Long press or long tap in Instagram app. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Log out and log in again. Step 6. Contact Instagram support team and solve this problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.